Hello, our customers in the Middle East and GCC countries, North Africa. Please watch us in this video to demonstrate one of the important tools from Autel coming along with Ultra and 919 scanning and diagnostic tool. This is very important kit. It comes with the device. It contains the clamp meter that you need during the test oscilloscope functions. This is the clamp meter, current clamp meter, 65 ampere maximum. So up to 65 ampere maximum you can use this one, and you can put it at 1 millivolt and 10 milliamp. So you draw the signals, the current signals, and you measure the current signals up to 10 milliamp. If you want up to 100 milliamp, then you could select this. And when the power comes, comes on. And this is the clamp meter, 650 amp maximum. So 650 amp maximum, and then you can select here the 100 milliamp or 100 amp. It has a Bnc connector, and this Bnc connector you could hook it up to the oscilloscope that comes with the Autel Ultra or Autel 919. So you can connect the Bnc connector like this, okay, and start measuring the current. What does this make for you, and how it is useful for you? You want to compare the current with the voltage. You must use one of the channels for the current. You must use one channel with the voltage, and then measure the current with the voltage, compare them, and see how much. Let's do one experiment. We'll go to the Autel device and select measurement, and then go to the oscilloscope function, and then say okay, we will use it in demo. I'm not live with the car now, so I'll use it in demo. Please switch off the light. So in here you go to the car symbol. From here it will give you a lot of functions. You can select out of them actuators, battery. Actuator means if you want to test the actuator, the final elements, for example air conditioner, blower, you can check the blower speed, regulator control module, or maybe the cooling fan, variable speed cooling fan. Fuel pump, you want to test the fuel pump, so you test the voltage of this fuel pump. Is it within the range? Is the current drawn by this fuel pump current is in the range? How to compare? Actually, Autel has put a lot of efforts to give you the possibility how to check the voltage according with the current. It does not only give you a blind platform, but it will give you I'll just show you a couple of things, then I'll show you a live example. This is the battery charging. It will show you if the battery charging in the right way or not. Combination test, or this acceleration pedal, along with the fuel rail pressure, CKB vice CMB, camshaft, crankshaft, injector, ignition. All this you could measure using the oscilloscope and see the performance, and you recognize if this is working in the right way or need a replacement or need some work. This is the data communication where you can test the CAN bus, the voltage of the CAN bus, and it will give you the ideal. Let's go and show you, for example, this one, high-speed CAN bus. So it will show you immediately. It will draw a two drawing, and it will show you the description for this test and the test kit. What you have to use in this. It will show you also the channels. See, channel 1, you have to use the positive with the number 6. You have to go to the OBD bin number 6, maybe here bin number 14, okay, with this next channel, and then this is the ground. Then you start drawing the signals, and this is the real connection in the car, how to connect it in the car. It will show you also the example and the waveform analysis. It will show you, it will help you, it will guide you how the normally working waves must be, okay? And it will give you the range. Like you see, the high level of CAN H waveform is 3 volt, and the low level is 2.5 volt. Suppose I found maybe 6 volt, 7 volt, then I recognize that there is maybe a problem short from another voltage defecting this signal and making this signal not correct. So you need to go through all of this. Let me go back and show you a couple of things. This is the engine starting. This is the starter. it will test how the engine performance, and if they have a problem with the engine and which cylinder has the problem. You can check only the start current, so it will show you the start current for each and every cylinder, and it will draw the signal for each and every cylinder, and you can analyze this waveform only with current if you want to make it along with voltage. So there will be a voltage drop while you are in the startup. Let's make it startup position. Then it will, first of all, it will guide you how to hook up this one. You have to use 2 channels because you are checking the voltage of the battery, plus you are checking the current of the positive. So this channel, the first channel, you have to see. It's a simple, very simple. You have to use this channel for voltage measurement. You have to use the second channel for current. Let's put the current now, like this. Can you bring it? Yeah, this is the current. You can use it with this clamp meter, and you can go to the positive out of the battery. And when you do the compression, when you start the car, okay, this is the actual photo. It even shows you the actual photo. This is the positive, this is negative for the first channel, this is the second channel, okay. And you can connect this is the example of the signal where the voltage goes down. When you start up the car, the voltage goes from 14 up to 10, and the current goes up, okay, withdrawn from the battery. And then you start. Then it will show you the waveform analysis, how the waveform should be. If you have 6 cylinder, 1 cylinder maybe withdraw more current, and it will not start maybe because of some current withdrawal wrong. This is how to start the signal. This is how it will look, but you need to select the right bands or right average of this axial, and then you have to withdraw the signal. Imagine here it will show you also the cycles. See, it will measure and keep the cycles. See, 5 of 5, I think up to 14 it will make. And then you can just stop it and go back and compare the signals. We are not in real situation, we are just in demo situation. You can test and see what's happening during the startup compression with the engine and recognize what is the fault. It's a very great tool. You can use this function with Ultra and 919, because 919 VCM is also occupied with 4 channel oscilloscope. 909 also, if you want to upgrade it, you can just buy the VCI and become able to test with the oscilloscope. Our customers in the Middle East, GCC countries, North Africa, please call us in 009715016794110. We are in Sharjha, United Arab Emirates. You can request the kit, the oscilloscope accessory kit, plus the OBD. This is the OBD1 connector for people who are concerned to check the cars below the 1996, below the cars 2000 model. You please order this one with the Ultra. Sometime you give them as a gift. And for the people who are really concerned to use the full functionality of the oscilloscope, please ask us for oscilloscope accessory kit. And this is really very great item where you can use test the coils and the plugs. It is occupied, and you can draw a signal. It will show you, as I shown you here, the device will ask you to use this oscilloscope kit with the right milliamp clamp meter or with that coil. And this is the clamps for the battery, as you saw here. It's a very great tool. Please order this units from Al Muhandis Workshop Equipment, the authorized dealer, one of the authorized dealer, Autel dealer in the Middle East. 009715016794110.